Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best car amplifiers is probably one of the most crucial components for any serious audiophile looking to elevate their in-car sound system, transforming a mediocre listening experience into a concert hall-like atmosphere right on the road. And today we're diving deep into what makes a car amplifier truly stand out, exploring the features, power, and sound quality that will make your music come alive with unparalleled clarity and depth, ensuring every note is heard as the artist intended. Number 5. Boss Audio Systems KIT2 8-gauge Car Amplifier Installation Wiring Kit. This is a complete 8-gauge wiring kit designed for car audio amplifier installation. It includes everything you need to customize your car's audio system for an enhanced sound experience. It features a sturdy 20-foot, 8-gauge red power cable and a high-quality fuse holder. These reliable cables ensure proper power delivery for various amplifier car audio sound systems. This kit includes a 16-foot, 18-gauge blue turn-on wire and 30 feet of 16-gauge speaker wire. They provide reliable power and signal transmission for your car audio stereo setup. You'll also find a 20-foot high-performance RCA interconnect and split loom tubing. These are essential for transmitting clear audio signals as part of the complete wiring kit. The kit comes with 20 wire ties and 3 rubber grommets. These accessories are perfect for managing your wires, keeping them organized and secure for optimal performance. What we like. This kit provides a comprehensive 8-gauge wiring solution for your car audio amplifier installation. It includes all the essential components, from power and ground cables to speaker wire and a durable RCA interconnect. If you're looking for a straightforward, all-in-one package to get your amplifier up and running without needing to source individual parts, this is an excellent choice for a hassle-free setup. What people say. The kit includes everything you need: power cable, ground cable, RCA cables, fuse holder, and accessories, all packaged neatly and ready to go. The 4-gauge power wire is flexible and easy to route, but still feels thick and durable enough to handle solid power delivery. The kit now includes what is labeled as OFC speaker wire, 16GA, and OFC RCA, two things that were both not labeled as OFC in years past. Number 4. InstallGear 4-gauge amp wiring kit. Introducing the 4-gauge amp wiring kit by InstallGear. This complete set is designed for seamless amplifier installation and optimal subwoofer performance. Maximize your amplifier's potential with our 17-foot red soft-touch CCA power wire. It ensures efficient power delivery for reliable connectivity and peak performance. Experience interference-free audio with the included 17-feet 2-channel RCA cable. It delivers crisp, clear sound quality for every connection in your system. Ensure clear audio with our 17-feet soft-touch speaker wire. It effectively reduces distortion and enhances overall sound performance for an immersive listening experience. Achieve secure connections with the 3-foot black soft-touch ground cable. It's designed for precision and reliable grounding in every audio setup. Protect your valuable audio system with the integrated ANL fuse holder and 100A fuse. This safeguards against power surges and maintains a stable power flow. What we like. This 4-gauge amp wiring kit is designed to maximize your amplifier's performance with its soft-touch CCA power wire for optimal power transfer. It ensures crystal clear signal transmission through its RCA cable and seamless sound distribution with its speaker wire. If you're aiming for a noticeable upgrade in sound quality and reliable power delivery for your subwoofer or amplifier setup, this kit offers a great balance of performance and protection with its included ANL fuse holder. What people say. The amplifier has a compact design that fits easily under the seat. Installation was straightforward with the included wiring kit. Provides clear and powerful sound output for my car speakers. Number 3. TOPSTRONGGEAR 4GA Amp Kit. Elevate your car's audio system with this comprehensive amplifier wiring kit. It provides everything you need for a robust installation. This kit includes all essential components, such as power and ground cables, RCA cables, and speaker wire. You'll have all the necessary parts for a seamless setup. Featuring ultra-flexible 4AWG copper clad aluminum power and ground wires, it ensures efficient power delivery. The included speaker wire is also designed for optimal performance. Experience clear sound with the oxygen-free copper RCA cable. The remote turn-on wire ensures proper system activation. The heat-tested, water-resistant inline fuse holder with an 80 amp ANL fuse provides crucial protection. It's designed for durability and safety. This kit comes complete with all connecting terminals and accessories, making installation straightforward. Get ready to enjoy enhanced sound. What we like. Featuring ultra-flexible 4 AWG CCA power and ground wires, this kit ensures ease of installation even in tight spaces. It boasts an oxygen-free copper RCA cable for superior signal integrity and a heat-tested, water-resistant fuse holder for enhanced safety. If you prioritize flexibility during installation and demand high-quality components for a robust car subwoofer or speaker audio system, this kit is a strong contender. What people say. Plenty length of wire, so if just get this kit, it'll work for most of your needs. Top quality amp installation materials for your high-powered amp. The cables are thick and tough, the sound quality once installed is great, and is extremely durable even in tight, vibrating, sharp spaces. Wires look great. Handle heavy voltage. All the connectors I needed. Number 2. InstallGear 8-gauge wire, 50 feet, copper clad aluminum CAA. Experience superior power delivery with our true spec 4-gauge CCA wire. Its low resistance makes it ideal for battery cables in cars, RVs, trailers, and solar setups. The distinct black and blue jackets simplify installation. This wire is designed for ease of use. Its soft-touch PVC jacket remains pliable, allowing for effortless routing through tight spaces. It's compatible with standard 4-gauge connectors for a neat and secure connection. Avoid wiring mistakes with our color-coded jackets. The black and blue options ensure quick and accurate polarity matching, especially during amplifier wiring kit installations for various power systems. Benefit from a thicker cable with our true spec, lower gauge design. The stranded CCA core efficiently handles high power demands, making it a perfect upgrade for 4-gauge amp wire kits in vehicles and RVs. With a generous 50-foot roll, you have ample cable for any project. This length is perfect for various applications, including car audio amplifier kits, solar connections, and battery or ground lines. What we like. This 50-foot roll of 8-gauge copper-clad aluminum wire offers exceptional versatility for various automotive and RV wiring needs. Its soft-touch PVC jacket remains pliable, making routing through tight spots easy, and the black and blue jackets simplify polarity identification. If you need a generous length of durable, installer-friendly primary wire for a car audio system, RV trailer, or solar setup, this product provides ample material and ease of use. What people say. The amplifier has a compact design that fits easily under the seat. Installation was straightforward with clear instructions provided. The sound quality is excellent, providing clear and powerful audio output. Number 1. InstallGear 10-gauge OFC pure copper power ground wire. Experience steady current flow with its true spec stranded design. This cable offers low resistance, perfect for your car audio, RV, solar, or welding needs. Crafted from oxygen-free copper, it ensures superior conductivity. You'll get minimal voltage drop, ideal for amplifiers, alternators, or demanding battery systems. Its rugged PVC coating protects against heat, abrasion, oil, and impact. This dependable cable stays flexible, making it easy to route even in tight automotive spaces. This wire is suitable for amps, trailers, and solar paneling. It also functions as dependable welding cable for custom vehicle, marine, or off-road installations. This compact spool delivers consistent performance for any run length. It ensures powerful connections for all your automotive or professional wiring projects. What we like. This 10-gauge AWG OFC pure copper wire is built for the most demanding applications, offering superior conductivity and minimal voltage drop. Its stranded design ensures steady current flow, making it ideal for high-demand car audio systems, alternators, or battery systems. If you're working on a high-performance audio build or any project requiring maximum power transfer and reliability, this premium pure copper wire is the ultimate choice for ensuring consistent, powerful connections. What people say. This wire set stands out due to its 99% oxygen-free copper, OFC, construction. OFC wire is known for its excellent conductivity and minimal signal loss, ensuring that your power delivery is both efficient and reliable. The build quality of this wire set is impressive. The insulation is robust and flexible, making it easy to work with in tight spaces and ensuring durability under various conditions. The 8-gauge thickness is ideal for a wide range of applications, providing a balance between flexibility and power handling. The wire is also color-coded, which simplifies installation and helps prevent wiring errors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.